Frustrated by the Dokan1 Library DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. Before we begin our Dokan1 library walkthrough, you can try the suggested utility to help clear environment conflicts and save time. This is the Dokan1 library, the Dokan User-Mode File System library core. It facilitates the localized creation of virtual drives by bridging localized user mode application logic to a localized kernel-mode file system driver. Frequently used by localized cloud storage, Google Drive and OneDrive, or localized encrypted volumes. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Because Dokan1 Library DLL is tied to the Dokany runtime inside a specific application standard, Windows fixes will not help, and you must use the official installer for your primary program to restore the file. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Dokan1 library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM space /online space /cleanup dash image space /restore health. Then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Most individual downloads of Dokan1 Library DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes Dokan1 library references. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Dokan1 library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.